How to delete your Spotify account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. And then you need to move into the site of Spotify and log into your account. Once you have logged into your account that you want to delete, tap on this gear icon and then click on support. In this place, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on account help. It will land you on this interface. Move into account settings. In this section, you'll find the option of closing your account and deleting your data. Head over to it. Well, once again scroll down and tap on close your account and delete your data. It will redirect you to this page. Now once again, if you click on close my account and delete my data, your Spotify account will be deleted successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete your Spotify account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.